we're gonna see if this works. He's whining about taking too long to scoop this out, so I'm going to leave the phone in my pocket. It'll be on for like forever. And I get to talk. I don't know if you guys can actually see anything because I have to look in my pocket. So what I'm doing right now is leveling it up so I can put the rock down. I like to get it to some really good firm grade. This dirt's not super good to build my walls on, so I dig it down anywhere from 6 to 12 inches. Now here I'm dealing with a power line, a septic line, and a water line, so you have to be really careful. So in case you're only hearing me and not even seeing what I'm doing, I'll keep talking my usual big mouth. Some of you guys, I do make the switch super easy. Don't try this at home. Something on that last block, the rake and other stuff's right up here. Okay, you're gutsy, I give you that. So you can't find it? Yeah, so don't worry about it. I'm pretty sure I passed it anyway. I don't want to mess up his thing no more. So go ahead and push that back down and push that rock back up there. I'll just stay away from it. This is really fun. So I have my son down there and he's blocking standing on the wall so I don't hit it. So that's where we're going to match up with that wall. So I'm trying to clean it up really good so I can put down the 3/4 brush. And I'm just letting my camera run, so yeah, there's going to be a lot of bloopers and stuff. I don't know. Somebody might want to watch it. Who knows? Seems like I get more views off my bloopers than I do my actual good work. Funny shit, huh? Alright. Are you sure? Can I get it from down there with the clean out? Because I'm going to swap buckets now. That was close. Well, that could have been why I went that way. So I almost tipped over all the blocks. Whoops. Yeah, I wasn't watching what I was doing. Woo, there we go. We had an inch. We're all right. I'll meet you at the bucket. See if I can get out of here without knocking anything over. These things are like so slow. I don't know how long this video keeps shooting. I'll just use my video editor and fix it. Because nobody wants to watch 20 minutes of Larry on his boring go to load it, I'll keep the freaking phone on. Oh my god, it's so cool. It's way cooler unloading it because you tip forward and land on the bucket. Yeah, I like showing off. What can I say? It's kind of cool. Been doing this so long, it's like, yeah. But all these machines are different. This one I have to find how to turn on and off the bucket. Click it, you know. Because this one's an auto bucket. You're supposed to be able to just swap it out, do your thing. We'll see what happens. Alright, it's like the littlest clean out bucket. Mine's like way bigger. Check that bucket out. It's got a thing on the other side.
Hey, move the rocks first.
I'm pretty sure I could have moved it with that. It only bends a little. Boy, that clean out bucket's all beefed up. People picking up rocks. I guess my son says to come and move the rocks first. You could probably pull that first row out if you want. Just pull that whole row out. You'll get to a nice level spot and you can run from there. Whoops. See, now that's what happens when the thumb is backwards. It makes you screw up. Now watch this. This is the cool thing. Have you ever done that before? It's so cool. Literally, the phone just almost jumped out of my pocket. Literally. You gotta be so careful doing that. I mean, you're not really supposed to do it at all, but life's too boring. I do it. I like to. It's fun. I've done this so many times. If I would have had a camera back then, oh my god, you guys would crap yourself some of the stuff I do. Just trying to use this as a stationary thumb. It didn't work, so I'm going to flick it with the thumb. I'm going to take this thumb apart when I get home and fix it. It's reversed. Not cool. When you're used to using a machine one way, I had the rock put way out there, so when I'm done, any extra can just spread out in his driveway. Customer likes it, keep him happy. After this wall's done, he's going to have me build another one right about where that pile is, all the way across there, raise this whole thing up like 2 feet so he can put a little garage here. Alright, so now let's see if I can find which one does the bucket. Let's try this one. Let's see, tilting bucket. Oh my god, this has tilting bucket? That is so cool. Lake compactor, auger. Oh my god, this does vultures, does everything. Except for switch bucket. Hammer. User defined. I have no clue what that is. So, we're going to go front to, maybe. Let's see. Here we go. Let's try this. Machine settings. Display, HVAC, radio. Yeah, sure. That's a radio. It's Bluetooth. So I can either listen to radio or continue the video. Info, HVAC, display settings, machine settings. That's not right. So let's go. You would think it would just say quick release for bucket, right? That would be the smartest thing. Not what it says. Only a different bucket. I'm going the wrong one. Okay, so let's go back to this. Machine set display, HVAC radio. Good service. Okay, so none of this stuff is working. You would think got rid of that noise. Now I gotta find what swings the boom. Why is it not showing me the thumb? Excavator, backhoe, run excavator. I gotta go find out.